Hello everyone, welcome to a flight among the ruins of the royal castle in Koło by the river Warta. The castle was erected in the second half of the 14th century on the initiative of the King Casimir the Great, perhaps after 1362 when a nearby town was founded. The castle was erected on a small hill on the left, marshy bank of the river Warta, about 3 kilometers from the town. The castle in Koło secured the road leading from Wielkopolska towards Leczyca through the Warta Valley. It was rectangular with a slightly bent northern curtain structure measuring 30 by 50 meters, with the main tower on the south corner slightly extend to the face of the defensive. The main elements of the castle were the defensive tower, tower house, and the entrance gate leading to the castle courtyard. I have chosen this building in order to present it to you because it originates from my hometown, and in my youth I used to come here often and climb the castle walls and admire the surrounding river from the tower, which also fired up my imagination about the long-forgotten times. Let us take a closer look to the most visible and characteristic part of the castle, the defensive tower. It is square in the base, higher cylindrical. Today it has a height of 1670 meters and a dimension in the base of 8.2 by 8 meters. The original entrance to it was located at the height of 2 meters above the level of the defensive porch on the crown of the southern west curtain. The staircase and the wall thickness led to the upper terrace. Traces of the beam's nest indicate that timber flat ceiling divided the tower into 2 floors. It is not sure how it was topped, if you believe the iconography had machicolation and battlements and a conical ceramic roof. In the northern part of the outer facade, a timber latrine probably functioned. Next to the corner tower at the distance of about 8 meters, in the eastern curtain there was a four-sided gatehouse building with a side length of 9 meters and a wall thickness of 1.8 meters. It was supported by two diagonal buttresses and advanced in the front of the perimeter. The entrance led through a gateway 1.8 meters wide, probably preceded by a drawbridge. In addition, there was a small wicket gate in the southeastern wall. The courtyard of the castle was built with wooden and half-timber buildings and was not paved. It was surrounded by walls which present height in the highest place reaches 10 meters. At the western curtain of the castle, foundation of the older tower house on the rectangular plan were found, built of sandstone ashlar and bricks on a foundation of erratic stones. Before the castle was created, it was a freestanding housing and defense facility. The entire castle was originally surrounded by an irrigated moat. On the outer bailey, relics of wooden fortification protecting the castle from the floodplain were found. During the last excavation season, conservation work was carried out to strengthen the western wall. Over the next 3 years, the town of Koło plans to fully conserve the castle walls and the tower, so that in the future, a recreational center can be created here for tourists and town residents. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment if you liked the video, and see you next time.